Driving a truck isn't easy, especially in South Africa, where sticking to the rules of the roads and speed limits don't seem to apply. I'm here at Transvaal Heavy Transport, chatting to the owner, Sampi Swanepoel, about some of the challenges they face on the roads in South Africa. Mr. Swanepoel, thank you for sharing your time and your thoughts with us. Can you tell us a little bit about the company and your history in the logistics sector in South Africa?
Yes, Transvaal Heavy Transport started in 1961. My dad started the business and he registered the business in 1967.
Okay.
The basis and the framework of the company is based on the Word of God. That's how we do our business, that's how we do treat our staff, and that's how we operate in this industry. Mm-hmm. I joined the company in 1986 after I worked for Unity Longwalls for 6 years. Mm-hmm. We're currently servicing the industry in the construction industry, the manufacturing industry, mm-hmm. the mining sector, the filtration sector, right. the power sector, and also the transformer industry.
Can you tell us about some of the hazards then perhaps that you pick up from the telematics, and then some of the hazards that the drivers talk to you about, that they've experienced on the roads?
Yeah, there is a few hazards, and maybe I'm going to mention a few that is maybe different than the normal mm-hmm. Issue, but congestion on the roads, that is one of the hazards that we found is a major issue lately. Mm-hmm. For the last, I would say, 2 years, it's been increasingly. Right. And through that, you get a situation where the impatience and the abuse of the road users and the lawlessness that is there is playing a tremendous role in the driver, which is for him a hazard as well. And then thirdly, we've got the harassment of the law enforcement that is on the road. Mm-hmm. Because when they see a truck, they stop it. Doesn't matter if your truck is in a good condition or what's the matter, they will stop your vehicle. And through that, they abuse the driver, they abuse the vehicle and the company in certain aspects in what they do and how they treat these things. And then also, when you travel on the roads and you see traffic officers and you see abnormal loads, please adhere to the signs that you see. Reduce your speed. If you see the situation, you see the big load, please pass on the sides, because otherwise you're going to hit the load. And remember, without trucks, South Africa stops.
Yeah. Well,
you need us, and we need you.
Yeah, there you have it. Well, thank you very much for sharing your time and your thoughts with us. We look forward to hosting your Truck X later this year.
It will be wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.